Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard house. First, focus on a powerful kick drum, typically around 140 to 150 beats per minute. Next, add a driving bass line, often a simple, repetitive pattern. Then layer in crisp, offbeat hi-hats and shakers to build rhythmic momentum. Finally, select classic hard house samples like sirens or vocal stabs to define the genre's sound. For melodies and synths, aim for aggressive, often distorted sounds. Design short, memorable melodic phrases that are repetitive and energetic. Classic rave stabs are essential for adding that signature hard house feel. Experiment with different waveforms like saw or square, and apply heavy compression and distortion to make them cut through the mix. Keep your synth lines simple but impactful. When arranging your track, focus on building and releasing tension. Start with an intro that gradually introduces elements, then move into a main section with a consistent, driving rhythm. Incorporate long breakdowns to create anticipation, followed by powerful drops that bring back all the energy. Remember to keep the listener engaged with subtle changes and variations throughout the track's 8 to 10-minute duration. For mixing, ensure your kick drum has a strong presence and is well-defined. Sidechain your bass line to the kick to create that pumping effect, giving space to the low end. Apply saturation to various elements for warmth and punch, making them sound bigger. Finally, master your track for loudness and clarity, ensuring it translates well on different sound systems. Aim for a dynamic but powerful final mix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.